This is just a little quick video that thought I would throw in here. It's a repair for a broken leg on the mirror stand for my daughter. And I really had to think about it. I normally don't do things like this, so it's a little different for me. But I came up with a good idea, and it worked. And it's very strong, it's very sturdy. And yeah, anyway, I'll check it out, see what I did. Well, what I'm doing today is, this is a stand for my daughter's mirror, and this section broke out. So I've got to try to manufacture something to put in there. That's the only way that I can think of and that I can repair it. I've got this. This is hardwood, mahogany, I think. There's as you can tell here, in this, there's a slot, and that has to fit inside here, like this one. This is what it's got to look like, because the leg goes inside here. So when all is said and done, the leg fits in here, and I can't get it to slide in there with one hand. There we go. Anyway, it slides in there all the way up. So what I have to do is put this piece on. I'm going to have to kind of indent that. I'm hoping to be able to take my little mini router and be able to indent that like this indentation here. And then once I do, I've got to add another piece here like this. I'll take a piece here and cut that to fit. Then I'll glue it all up, and I'm hoping that I can get it to work. It looks it's pretty complicated for me because I don't do something like this all the time, so I'm improvising. And anyway, I'll let you know what kind of progress I do. So wish me luck. Well, I didn't think the mahogany was going to work out as well. So I went down and milled a piece of oak. I believe that is oak. The grain looks like oak. So anyway, so I milled down this little board, and it fits right there. So I went ahead and took this part and cut it out so that it would just be square across there. And I just made the one piece. I think that'll be much easier. Of course, over here, I think I'm going to have to patch that. But that's not the big deal. I just got to get this fit in here and try to get it cut to where it will line up perfectly. And I can slide that leg in that hole, and then I'll finish it. But I got a ways to go yet before that happens. Anyway, stick around, we'll see what happens. Well, this is how the leg is supposed to fit. So I added 2 pieces of oak. I leveled them off here. They're all smooth across. I took the Dremel, I dug all this out here, and I got it to where it actually fits. Yeah. I think once I get it stained and everything, I think you probably won't be able to tell it. I'm going to take some filler and fill inside here, and I'm going to show you what it looks like once I get it on there. Okay, so this is how it goes on. This is original. This fits on like so. So after I've added this piece and added this piece in here, this is all oak, hardwood. This is oak as well. And this is how it fits now. Now I think once I get them, try to get that matched to the color here, I think we got it. What do you think? Well, I've stained it, but I don't have any stain in my arsenal to come close to what the regular is, so I'm gonna have to come up with something else. And I don't know what that is yet. Got to think on it a while. Well, I finished the mirror stand, and I forgot to video the very last part of it, so I'll insert a picture at the end so you can see what it looked like. I really had a tough time figuring out a stain for it. A stain it just wouldn't take. But recently I did my stairs coming down into the basement. I painted those, and it just turned out that the paint for the concrete was the exact color of the mirror stand, so that's what I used. I used that, and you can't tell the difference. So anyway, that was turned out great, and thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. This is a new channel, and I do repairs and certain things like that. It's not a how-to by any means, it's just what I do. And everything I think of is my own thoughts. So if you'd subscribe to this channel if you like it, or if you haven't already, I would appreciate it. It'd help me out a lot. Hit that like button and subscribe and hit that notification bell. You know, just in case you want to be notified of another screw up I make. Anyway, again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you later.